Good morning students. Today we are going to see that subtraction word problems. First one, example 1.13. Chitra has rupees 150. She wanted to buy a bag which cost 225. How much money does she need to borrow from her friend? So she has 150. She knows this money is not enough for to buy the bag because the bag cost was 225. Bag cost was 225. So how much money she need to borrow from her friend? So we are going to find how much money she borrow from her friend. See, first statement is, so Chitra has rupees 150. So some amount with Chitra is rupees 150. So cost of the bag is 225. So amount to be borrowed. Amount to be borrowed. So we know that we always subtract greatest number to smallest number. Here cost only, bag cost only is greater. So bag cost, we subtract how much Chitra has. So we subtract from that 225 minus 150. Our answer is 75. So rupees 75 only Chitra borrow from her friend. Next example 1.14. What is the balance in Chilian's account as a result of a purchase for rupees 1079 if he had an opening balance of rupees 5000 in his account? So what is the balance in Chilian's account? So we are going to find what is the balance in Chilian's account. So you want to find the balance. First we know that how much he has. How much he has? He had an opening balance rupees 5000. He had an opening balance rupees 5000. So in the 5000 what he did? Yes, result of purchase for rupees 1079. See, he purchased some things. That purchase, how much he purchased? 1079. If he purchased 1079, how much amount balance to Celian's account? So we know that opening balance is 5000. In the 5000, if he purchase in net banking, now you know that in online we order anything, we use net banking and purchase. Like that, Chilian also purchased through net banking. Their bank, they debit the amount 1079. Debit means the bank take the amount. Credit only what we are going to put the amount in our bank, that is denoted as the word credit. Debit means the bank take the amount. How much amount? 1079. Why? Because he using the net banking and purchase the things. So they debit the amount 1079. So how much balance amount? 5000. We subtract 1079. Balance amount is 3921. We know the subtraction. If you want borrow 4, 9, 9, 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. So this is 3921. Next example 1/15. The temperature at Srinagar was. Do you know where is Srinagar? Yes, it is in the Kashmir. In the Kashmir state. The temperature at Srinagar was minus 3 degrees Celsius on Friday. So Srinagar temperature on Friday is minus 3 degrees Celsius. If the temperature decreases by, what is? The temperature decreases by 1 degree Celsius next day, then what is the temperature on that day? Decreases by 1 degree Celsius next day. So then what is the temperature on that day? So first you have to write the temperature at Srinagar was minus 3 degrees Celsius on Friday. Next it decreases means we denoted as minus. Okay, because it's going low, so we have to denote it as minus 1 degree Celsius. Now minus 3 degree, minus 1 degree, in that we know the addition rule. Symbols are same. We add the numbers and put the same symbol. So minus 3 degree, minus 1, we add 4 degree Celsius. Here also minus, here also minus. The answer also will be in minus. Answer also will be in minus. Next, a submarine is at 300. What is submarine? Last, yes, addition of integers I told. Submarine is going under the sea. Ship is going under the sea. That ship is called submarine. Is at 300 feet below the sea level. 300 feet below the sea level. If it ascends to 175 feet, what is the new position? So for the initial position of submarine is what? 300 feet below. Below 300 feet below, we denoted as minus 300 feet. Distance ascended by submarine. If it is ascended means it moves up. It moves up 175 feet. 175 feet. So it's we denoted as positive 175. So new position of the submarine. So first it's minus 300. Next it moves plus 175. We know that symbols are different. We subtract and put the greatest number symbol. So 300 we subtract 175. Answer is 125. Greatest number symbol is minus. So we put minus 125. So that is the submarine is 125 feet below the sea level. Now we are going to see that exercise 1.2. See fourth question. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. Next day his father gave him. Next day his father again gave him 6 more pencils. 6 more pencils. From that he gave 8 to his sister. 8 to his sister. So how many pencils are left with him? How many pencils are left with him? First, Kabilan has how many pencils? First he has 10 pencils. First he has 10 pencils. And next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. See, Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil, 3 pencils to Karthik. So, totally Kabilan how much he has? Yes, he has first 10 pencils. Next day father gave 6 more pencils. Father gave 6 more pencils. Totally Kabilan has 10 plus 6, 16. Next he gave. Who and all he gave? Yes, 2 pencils to Sendil, 3 pencils to Karthik and 8 pencils to his sister. So 2 to Sendil, 3 Karthik and 8 to his sister. So totally how much pencil he gave? 13 pencil. Totally he has 16 pencil. In the 13 pencils he gave. So how many pencils are left with him? So left means you know that it is remaining. So 16 minus 13, answer is 3. So now he has how many pencils? Yes, 3 pencils. So 3 pencils are left with him. 3 pencils are left with him. Fifth question. A lift is on the ground floor. A lift is on the ground floor. Now the lift is ground floor. If it moves, if it goes 5 floors down. How many floors it goes? It moves 5 floors down. Then it moves up. Then it moves up to 10 floors from there. So from the fifth 5 floors down he goes, and then from there he comes 10 floors. From there moves up 10 floors. Then in which floor will the lift be? So first what is? The lift is ground floor. From the ground floor it goes 5 floors down. It goes 5 floors. Lift is in the ground floor. It goes 5 floors down. 5 floors down. From there again the lift moves up for 10 floors. From there then moves up 10 floors. So from there it moves 10 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now which floor the lift be? Now which floor lift be? So the ground floor will be represented as 0. 5 floors down means it goes 5 floors down means we is represented as -5. Moves up 10 floors means we represented by +10. So from the -5 only it moves 10 floors up. So -5 we add 10 means we know that addition rules. Different symbol we have to subtract and put the greatest number symbol. So for -5 plus 10 plus 5. So the lift will be the 5th floor. It is from the ground floor up 5th floor.